About to top in him. Oh. Alright, what's good, everybody? Man, this is amazing, amazing. Every time I see a GT500, I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna have to. And then on top of that, you got an M5 downpipes E30 tune. Something that it's not like we've never seen this. You know, it's just amazing to see an M5 here on the channel. But thank you, Auto Glory. Always dropping heat. It seems like it always gives me more content too. And it's just a blessing because these are good races and it's interesting content. Why not? So let's get into this.
Alright, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So, let me welcome back the 2021 Ford Shelby GT500. Now, many of you guys have already seen this car on the channel several times. Now, the only thing that's done to this car is just an upgraded JLT intake and no tune. Now, most of you guys know what these cars make on the dyno. They make up.
I don't know why you're not doing a tune.
For 600 to the wheels, and I've seen these intakes add an extra 20 plus wheel horsepower to it. So let's just say it's close to 700. And he's running OEM Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Now these cars weigh around 4,200 pounds. And he's going to be running up against a 2019 BMW M5 competition.
That's clean. I mean.
Now, last time you guys saw this car on the channel, it raced up against the white M4 on E85.
And he lost, I think.
Now, the only thing that's done to this car is just catless downpipes and a Stage 2 OTS E30 tune.
Yep.
Now, these cars with those tunes and downpipes make, you know, around 700, low 700s to the wheels. They weigh a little bit heavier than the GT500s. They weigh close to 4,300, around 4,300 pounds. And they are all-wheel drive. And I believe, yep, he's also on the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. So this should be an exciting race. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so you're gonna go 50? 50 first. Alright guys, so I'm here in the M5, and the first race we're gonna do is for 50 miles an hour.
You still got the GT or the M5? I got the GT. Alright, let's see.
Are you ready? On the damn back!
Wow. What? Sheesh. Like, I knew he was gonna lose, but that torque was immediate. But that M5 is about to top in him.
Alright guys, on to round two.
M5 got the top end.
One more time since the M5 had a late start and we want to see how it goes. So here we go.
It wasn't a late start. The GT500 jumped. So he jumped and he still got hocked. So, hey, this M5 tune, it really shows its top end capabilities.
Side by side right there.
180. Woo! That was a hell of a race.
Alright guys, that was a really tight race. Last and final round, 60 roll.
This is a hell of a race. This is a good race. Well, we need to see that GT500 tuned, at least, or modify with something a little bit more and then tune it.
Are you
he is going against a tuned M5. So I mean, but he only has catalytic downpipes and the E30 tune. It's not like the GT500 can't do the same thing and just get an intake and then tune it, but or high flow cuts, but whatever. That was a great race. You'd like to see that. Of course, you wish they were both even, like as far as tune match, but that was cool.